Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching Math with Anila.
We have already seen what are rational numbers. The numbers that can be expressed in the form p by q, where p, q belongs to integers and q not equal to 0 are the set of rational numbers. Today, let's see the properties of addition of rational numbers. So the properties are, first one is the closure property, then the commutative property, associative property, existence of additive identity, existence of additive inverse. Closure property. Closure property says that if two rational numbers are added together, the result is always a rational number. That is, if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, and when you are adding these two rational numbers, the sum what you are obtaining here again is a rational number. Let's consider an example. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Look at that. Here, this is also a rational number and this also is a rational number. When you are adding these two, you must get this as upon 5, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3 by 5. 3 by 5 again is a rational number. So this closure property satisfies for the set of rational numbers under addition. Whenever we are adding two rational numbers, the sum is also a rational number itself. Consider this question. Minus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 12. We know that minus 3 by 8 as well as 5 by 12 are irrational numbers. So let us add these two. What will you get? So to add these two rational numbers, first you need to take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 12. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? If you divide it by 2, you'll get this as 4 and 6. Again by 2, 2 and 3. So your LCM will be 24. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 24 is the LCM. LCM is equal to 24. Now you need to simplify this. That is minus 3 by 8 into 24 by 24 plus 5 by 12 into 24 by 24. We are making both the terms are like terms. So you get this as 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24. So you will get the same this one, minus 3 into 3 divided by 24 plus 10 by 24. We are making the denominators equal. So that's equal to minus 9 plus 10 by 24. That is equal to 1 by 24. This is your final answer. And if you see this answer, you can say that this is also a rational number itself. Therefore, the closure property holds good for addition in case of rational numbers. Now, you can check this property with this question. The next is the commutative property. The commutative property says that the addition of any two rational numbers is commutative. A by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. So if you change the order and add the rational numbers, the answers are same. That is what the commutative property says. Let's check with this question. 6 by minus 11 can be written as minus 6 by 11 since both are same, plus minus 9 by 11. So when you are adding these two, you'll get this as upon 11 minus 6 plus minus 9. So you are adding two negative numbers. So when you are adding two negative numbers, add and give the sign. So this will become minus 15 by 11. Now let's add minus 9 by 11 plus 6 by minus 11. So you will get this as minus 9 by 11 plus minus 6 by 11. I have told you 6 by minus 11 is same as minus 6 by 11. That is equal to upon 11 minus 9 plus minus 6. You are adding two negative numbers. Your answer will be minus 15 by 11. So when in this case also we got the same answer, minus 11 by 15 and minus 11 by 15. So what we can say? We can say that commutative property holds good for rational numbers under addition. That is a by b plus c by d is equal to c by d plus a by b. Now this question is for you. You can just check the commutative property of rational numbers under addition. Now the associative property. Associative property says that a by b plus c by d plus e by f is equal to a by b plus c by d plus e by f. That means when you are adding three rational numbers, you can group and add it. If you group the last two numbers and add it with the first number, or if you group the first two numbers and add with the last number, your answer remains the same. That is what the associative property. Let's consider with an example. 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. This is the question. Now here first let's add these two and then add with 1 by 7. So what will you get? You will get this as 1 by 7 plus, if you are adding these two upon 7, you will get this as 2 plus 3. So your answer will be 1 by 7 plus 5 by 7. That is equal to 1 plus 5 by 7, that is 6 by 7. That we are getting when we are adding the last two terms with the first term. First you are adding the last two terms, then the sum will be added with the first term. This is how we are getting the first answer. If you add it in a different way, considering the first two terms or grouping the first two terms and then with the last term, we will get your answer as 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7, that is in a group, plus 3 by 7. So that is equal to 1 plus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. And that is same as 3 by 7 plus 3 by 7. And that is 6 by 7. This is the answer you are getting. So in both the cases you are getting the same answer. So what we can say about the associative property? A by b plus c by d plus e by f is equal to a by b plus c by d plus e by f. This is what the associative property. You can check the associative property with this question. Next is the additive identity. You know the additive identity is 0 in case of integers. Even in case of any rational numbers, the additive identity is 0. That means when additive identity is added to any rational number or any rational number is added to the additive identity, the rational numbers remain the same. That means the number doesn't change. Whenever you are adding 0 to any number, as you know, the number remains same. Let's consider one example, 2 by 5 plus 0. So when you are adding 0, you will get the same number itself, that is 2 by 5 itself, or 0 plus 2 by 5. Then also you will be getting the same answer. That means 0 is the additive identity of rational numbers. Next is the additive inverse. That means for any rational number a by b, there exists a rational number minus a by b, and that is what called as the additive inverse. What does it mean? That means whenever you are adding any rational number with its additive inverse, you must get the additive identity. Let's consider an example. See, 2 by 7 plus minus 2 by 7. If 2 by 7 is the rational number, then minus 2 by 7 will be the additive inverse. When you are adding these two, you must get your additive identity. What is the additive identity? That is 0. So let's add it upon 7. You will get this as 2 plus minus 2, and 2 plus minus 2 will be 0. 0 by 7, you are getting the answer as 0. So we can say that for any rational number, the negative of the same rational number is the additive inverse. Consider minus 2 by 3. If minus 2 by 3 is a rational number, the negative of minus 2 by 3 is minus of minus 2 by 3. That means its inverse is 2 by 3. If it is 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 is the additive inverse. If it is minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 is the additive inverse. This is how we can find the additive inverse of any rational number. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with another topic. Thank you.